In this video, we're going to prepare a file for import into RedScreen. In my folder here, I have a number of files, one of them being building number 43, elect raw data. I'm going to open that Excel file and take a look at the data inside this file. This file is formatted in a very basic way, which is the simplest way to import data into RedScreen. There are two columns. I'm importing electricity data. The first column is the meter reading date for each particular entry. The second column is the consumption, in this case kilowatt hours of electricity for that particular date. Key words here are date at the top of the first column, and in this case electricity bracket kilowatt hours, or kWh bracket, which is a way to specify both the description of this column being electricity and the units being kilowatt hours. Once we import this into RedScreen, we'll see how RedScreen deals with those titles and allows us to label the columns appropriately inside RedScreen. We'll close this file now because RedScreen, when we attempt to import from it, will not want to see the file opened by another application.